is robot system integration, which was again a team activity. Robot system integration, and in this we have two gold medal winners, Arpit and Preetinder Singh from Punjab. Put your hands together. And in the same category, two silver medalists. I would like to call Naseem Nigar and Swati Kumari from Odisha. Please put your hands together.
Yes, so hello everyone, I am Preetinder Singh and I am currently in the So I am very excited about robotics. I really wanted to understand.
Hi, I am Arpit and I came from Chandigarh University, I am from Delhi, to learn robotics. Here at KAUSTYA Robotics, I have learned many concepts of robotics and have tried in-hand training for a robot. And this was the very best experience for my life. Thank you.
Kumar from Ludhiana. I am a student in Chandigarh University. I am here to train. I am here for the training in KAUSTYA Robotics Private Limited for the India skill competition. So we are here to train ourselves for 10 days. Here we are provided a dedicated robot to train, and we are allowed to ask as many questions as we want, and we can practice a lot on the robot. They have a dedicated robot for the training for their students.
Hello everyone, my name is Harshul Agrawal and I am from mechatronics background and BE Mechanics from Chandigarh University, and I want training for India state competition in robotics training. So for that I have KAUSTYA Robotics Limited, and from here we are getting the free hand-on training on the real robots, because working on the real robots we used to get a experience of well-being, and we used to able to experience and explore how basically robotic arm work and their angles, because we have seen that things in the videos or in the TVs, but in the reality it's quite a different and a very useful and a very amazing experience. So do visit KAUSTYA Robotics and you can get the training.